So the voice that you are listening to right now is not my real voice. This is a clone, and the model that made it is the model I am reviewing today, and it is only 170 million parameters. So what I have done is I have installed it, I have cloned my own voice with it, and I have set everything on my own laptop. Let me show you what is good and what is not. So Audio8 TTS Preview 0.1b is a zero-shot voice cloning model. You give it about 10 seconds of audio and the text that matches that audio, and it speaks anything in that voice. The main model is 170 million parameters. But here is the thing nobody mentions. The model everyone quotes is 340 megabytes. The codec that turns the tokens back into audio is 1.35 gigabytes, so the small half is the half they named it after. So let's go ahead and install it. You need Torch, you need transformers, and you need Trust remote code turned on, because the model ships its own architecture files. That is one extra step that you need to do. And this is the good part. Loading it takes about 10 seconds, and it sits in 862 megabytes of VRAM on an 8 gigabyte laptop card. That leaves almost the whole card free, really small. So what you need to do is give it a reference wave and the exact text of that wave. I am giving it about 10 seconds of me talking, and then everything you have heard since the start of this video came out of that. But here is what it costs. This model is slower than real time. 1 minute of speech takes about 5 minutes on my 4060. Every line you have heard so far took about 5 times its own length to make. Now, to be fair to them, they never said it was fast. The whole model card is about size. There is not one speed number anywhere on that page. So this is not a broken promise. This is just the number nobody published. And every single run tells you the fast path is not available and points you at a kernel to install. So I tried 3 times. And on Windows it just does not build. 40 minutes, and then the compiler runs out of heap space. And it will not read you a paragraph. I gave it a long block, and it stops at about 24 seconds. And raising the token budget does not help at all. So you generate line by line. That is what I did for this whole video. And there is no emotion setting. I went into the code to check. There is no style parameter. There are no emotion tokens. The system prompt is fixed. What you can do is write the punctuation, and it does follow it. Now these are their numbers, not mine. On the English test it scores 1.66, and Fish S2 Pro, which is 27 times bigger, scores 1.60. So on getting the words right, it is genuinely competitive. But look at the similarity column. 56.7. Everything else is in the 60s, 70s, 80s. So here is the honest way to say it. It says the words right. It sounds less like you. And this one really matters. The GitHub page says Apache 2.0, and it says that covers the model weights, and it even shows you a green tick for commercial use. But the Hugging Face page, where you actually download the weights, says Creative Commons non-commercial. Those two cannot both be right. So go and read both pages before you put this. So who is this for? If you want your own voice on your own machine in under a gigabyte of VRAM and you can wait, this is the smallest thing that does it. If you need it fast or you need it in a product, this is not the one yet. Next, I want to try the 0.6b version, because on their own table it beats this one on every single language. Everything you heard was the 0.1b model speaking in my voice. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.